You can build business credit fast without using your personal social security number. With strong business credit, you can fund your business without constantly worrying about stretching your personal credit too thin. And no more sleepless nights wondering how your business choices might affect your personal life. So today I'll show you 7 business cards you can get without a personal guarantee and every step you need to take to build business credit this year. The first thing you got to do is start by setting up your business the right way. When you're starting a business, the first thing you need to do is pick the right name. It might sound simple, but it's a big deal. You want a name that fits your brand and isn't already taken by another company in your state. In today's world, it's also important to make sure the domain name is available so you can easily build an online presence too. You can check and see if your chosen name is available through your Secretary of State's website. Once you know that your name is free, you're good to go. Next, you'll need to incorporate your business to make it official. This gives your business a legal identity, which is important for things like opening a bank account or applying for credit. Services like Busy make this process much easier. For example, I use Busy to set up my business, Barton Media LLC, and that was a few years ago. They offer packages that take care of everything from registering your business name to getting your EIN number. Some of their packages even offer a free registered agent service, and they'll give you things like the first year free, and that's going to make sure that you're compliant without any extra hassle. If you don't go with a service like Busy to do the incorporation for you, then you'll need to file the correct documents with your local Secretary of State. Then you'll need to get your own EIN from the IRS. Now, just so you know, this is like a social security number for your business. It's essential for things like opening a business bank account or applying for credit as well. And make sure you keep a copy of the EIN number handy because you're going to need that to fill out all of your business documentation. So when you sign up for any credit card, business card, or even a business bank account, you're going to need that number. Now, with your EIN, it's time to figure out where your business will be based. So having a separate office is great for making a good impression with lenders, but using your home address can work too. If you prefer something more professional, but don't need a physical office, a virtual office service like Alliance Virtual Offices are a great option. They'll give you a business address plus access to meeting rooms, mail handling, and co-working spaces as well. This can really help your business look more credible, especially if you're working remotely. Another key step is setting up a business phone service. You can get voice over IP services like Grasshopper and RingCentral, and they offer professional business phone lines with features like call forwarding, business texting, and integration with customer management tools. These services can really help ensure that your business communication is smooth and professional. And a substantial amount of business owners have found that they build more trust when it's time to sign up for business credit cards and when it's time to get in front of lenders. They're going to see that as a little bit more professional. Finally, you'll want to open a business checking account to keep your business finances really separated from your personal ones. While traditional banks are an option, digital first banks like Novo are becoming increasingly popular. These online banks often have no fees, quick account approvals, and better integration with accounting software. They also have flexible features like sub-accounts for budgeting, making them a great choice for new modern entrepreneurs like you. And a lot of people still don't know this, but Novo is actually in the business funding game. They'll lend you up to $75,000 to invest in your small business without a personal guarantee and without good credit. So you're never actually personally on the hook for repaying the loan, and your credit doesn't even need to be the best to get cash for your business. Plus, since it comes with a free business checking account, you actually have somewhere to transfer the money into once they lend it to you. All you need is 6 months of business banking history. And a little less than a year ago, my small business, Barton Media LLC, got approved for a $3,300 funding limit. So definitely hit the link below to start a banking relationship with Novo and get your business funded with up to $75,000. Now, in addition to the basic setup steps, getting a DUNS number from Dun & Bradstreet is still a key move for building your business credit. The process itself hasn't really changed over the years, but be aware that Dun & Bradstreet can be pretty pushy with their sales tactics. Many businesses really find it easier and more cost-effective to just let the DUNS number auto-generate when you open up your first Net 30 accounts or when it's reported by the Secretary of State. That should help you avoid unnecessary expenses. It's also important to keep an eye on your business credit with agencies like Experian Business and Equifax Business, as they also play a big role in your business's credit profile. Monitoring these business credit bureaus can help you stay on top of your credit situation. A great tool for monitoring all of your business credit reports and scores is NAV Prime. NAV Prime not only gives you access to your business scores, but they also give you your personal scores as well, all in one interface. And they have a business credit builder card that when you make payments on that as well, we'll report a second time to the Business Credit Bureau. So they actually can report twice for you, helping you build your score faster. Now let's talk about establishing more business credit. So once your business is up and running, the next step is to start building out that business credit profile. This usually begins by setting up accounts with vendors that offer net 30 terms, meaning you have 30 days to pay off your invoice after receiving the goods or services. It's really a great way to establish credit without needing to pay up front. These days, there are even more options available, with many online vendors offering quick and easy approvals. Some good choices include NAV, which we spoke about earlier, Amazon Business, Office Depot, Grainger, and Uline. These companies not only provide essential business supplies, but also report your payment history to the business credit bureaus, which is key to building your credit profile on the business side. Now, as you set up these accounts, it's important to understand your Paydex score and why it matters. Your Paydex score is provided by Dun & Bradstreet, and that measures your business's payment history and credit worthiness. It ranges from 0 to 100, with 100 being the best. For example, a score of 100 means you pay your bills early, 90 means you're paying during the discount period, and 80 means you pay right on time. So keeping your Paydex score at 80 or higher is essential to show potential creditors that your business is reliable. This score will have a big impact on your ability to secure better credit terms in the future too. But I can't stress this enough. Patience is key as you wait for your Paydex score to be established. To actually even get a Paydex score, you need at least 5 trade lines reporting to Dun & Bradstreet. These trade lines come from the vendors you're working with under the net 30 terms, so make sure you're paying those invoices on time, or even better, early. Now, once you have those 5 trade lines in place, your Paydex score will be assigned, and from there, you can start looking into revolving credit accounts. Those are going to offer more flexibility for managing your business cash flow too. And if you're unsure which net 30 vendors are right for your business, you can easily download my master list of over 70 net 30 vendors. This list includes 24 vendor categories and 9 no-fee vendors to help you get started. Another useful step is to get a cell phone plan under your business's name. Major carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile now offer business-specific plans that's going to be tailored for small businesses. These plans often include pooled data, dedicated business customer service, and discounts on multiple lines. Using your business name and EIN to get a cell phone plan not only helps you manage your business communications better, but also adds another positive trade line to your credit profile. By taking these steps to build your initial business credit, you're setting up a strong foundation for a credible business credit profile. Each action, from opening net 30 accounts to securing a cell phone plan in your business's name, helps you build your business financial independence and creates more opportunities for growth. Oh, before I forget, you can get all of this information, plus even more, in my free business email course. Over the course of 5 days, I show you how to create a bulletproof credit profile that banks will approve instantly, how to massively increase your approval chances by eliminating all the business killing mistakes that banks always catch, how to max out your credit limit with every bank using my proven relationship building strategies, how to create a custom funding sequence to get your business funded by the top banks with the least inquiries. Now, if you want instant access to that free email course, then definitely hit the link below. Now, let's talk about building out your business credit even further. Now, once you've got your initial business credit set up and received your Paydex score, it's time to level up by adding more trade lines. After getting that Paydex score, it might be tempting to apply for a bunch of credit accounts all at once. However, I strongly recommend avoiding that. Applying for too many accounts in a short time frame can actually hurt your business credit instead of helping it. It can make creditors think your business is desperate for credit, which could lead to denials or lower credit limits. Instead, take it slow and pace your applications. Give your credit profile some breathing room between each account that you open. A good rule of thumb is to wait a few weeks between applications and only apply for 1 or 2 new trade lines at a time. This steady approach helps build your business credit without raising a bunch of red flags. When you look at business card companies, you'll find that there are more options than ever that don't require a personal guarantee. And this really is a huge benefit because it means your personal credit won't be tied to your business's financial decisions. Companies like Ramp, Divvy, and Revolut are top picks, offering corporate cards and funding options designed specifically for small business owners. These cards come with flexible spending limits, valuable rewards, and easy integrations with business management tools too. Whenever you can, make sure to avoid providing any personal guarantee if you don't have to. Many companies will still process your application without it. which helps protect your personal assets while allowing your business to build its own credit profile on its own. Also, gas cards can be a great addition to your business's credit portfolio. If your business involves a lot of travel or operates as a fleet of vehicles, gas cards are super useful for managing fuel expenses. Services like Wix and Fuelman offer fleet cards that not only cover fuel, but also come with extra benefits like fleet management tools, detailed reporting, and discounts at various fuel stations. Cards from companies like Conoco76, Shell, ExxonMobil, Chevron, and Sunoco also help build your business credit. That's just going to give you an additional way to strengthen your profile without needing a personal guarantee. And by carefully adding more trade lines and strategically applying for credit, you're setting up your business for long-term financial success. Each new account you open and manage responsibly adds to the strength of your business credit profile, making it easier to secure even larger lines of credit and better terms in the future. And applying for no PG business cards is a lot easier since there's no risk involved with your personal credit score. So you gotta watch the next video where I found 4 EIN only no PG business cards and got my business approved for over $11,000 in funding using those same options. And thank you for watching.